Hi, I'm Lindsay Barton Barrett from Compass. Welcome to apartment 26A at Quay Tower, located in Brooklyn Bridge Park. This apartment is really special. It's almost 4,500 square feet, has 6 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, and 2 private elevators. But the most spectacular thing about this apartment is something you really have to see to believe. Follow me. Will you just look at this view? You have water everywhere, Statue of Liberty, Governor's Island, all the way to the Verrazzano Bridge. Even on a cloudy day, this view is jaw-dropping. This is the main living area. You have a super open living room, dining room, and bespoke chef's kitchen. And just look at this island. It features Calacatta marble and a breakfast bar where you can sit, have a glass of wine, and chat with your chef who's making you your next beautiful meal. This gorgeous Lacanche range, externally vented range hood, and you have tons of storage in these beautiful custom cabinets. And the best part is because of this open concept, even if you're cooking, you never have to leave the party. And if you love to entertain, can you think of a better place than this living room? This corner room has floor-to-ceiling windows all around and offers sweeping views of New York Harbor. It's the perfect backdrop to define and display your style. With this beautiful sofa and iconic chaise lounge, this room is so sophisticated, but it's also so comfortable. The dining room is located right off the living room. It's really dramatic, but super cozy. And one of my favorite things about this room is the custom bar. It's the epitome of cool, but also so useful. Stepping out of the main living room into the library gives you a whole different feel. Saturated in color and texture, with picture moldings, built-ins, you walk into this room and you just feel a sense of calm. You can sink into this lush corner sofa and watch a movie, or watch the boats go by from morning to night. Down this hallway are 2 of the home's 6 bedrooms, all with ensuite baths, but we are going this way. Welcome to the primary suite. And if you were impressed by the views in the living room, just look at this. These beautiful floor-to-ceiling windows frame the view and turn Manhattan into another piece of art on your wall. This bedroom is pin-drop quiet, flooded with light, and big enough for a king-size bed and so much more. But it's the exceptional finishes that make you realize you're in a true designer's home. And this walk-in closet will make you the envy of all of your fashionista friends. And this attention to design details is even more apparent in the primary bathroom, where you'll feel transported to another place. This home was meticulously designed and executed. Every detail was considered for living, entertaining, and enjoying the best views in the world. Thank you for taking a look.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.